Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses most of Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Louisiana, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, northwestern and western Kentucky, most of Indiana, eastern Michigan, most of Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and west central New York State. Cities in today's slate include San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Columbus, Ohio. And we have two marginals today, one covering a stripe of western Texas, central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Arkansas, a stripe of Missouri, a stripe of central Illinois, parts of Indiana, and central Michigan. The second marginal today covers southern Texas, central Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, the extreme northwestern corner of Alabama, central Tennessee, central Kentucky, southeastern Ohio, a little bit of northern West Virginia, and western and northern Pennsylvania, as well as most of New York State, northern half of Connecticut, northern half of Rhode Island, most of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, all of New Hampshire, and most of Maine. Cities in today's marginals include Houston, Texas, Boston, Massachusetts, Nashville, Tennessee, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky. Go to the tornado threat for today. There are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses one covering central Texas and another covering eastern Michigan, northern Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and parts of New York State. Cities in the 2% tornado risk areas today include Detroit, Michigan, Cleveland, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, Buffalo, New York, and Rochester, New York. Now for today's wind threat. Now, so there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering most of Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Louisiana, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, western and northwestern Kentucky, most of Indiana, eastern Michigan, most of Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and western New York. The 15% wind risk area today includes San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Columbus, Ohio. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of western Texas, central Oklahoma, far northwestern corner of Arkansas, a stripe of Missouri, a stripe of central Illinois, a stripe of northern Indiana, and central Michigan. The second 5% wind risk today covers southern Texas, central Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, central Tennessee, extreme northwestern corner of Alabama, central Kentucky, parts of Ohio, far north central West Virginia, western and northern Pennsylvania, most of New York State, northern half of Connecticut, northern half of Rhode Island, most of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, all of New Hampshire, and most of Maine. Okay? The 5% wind risk areas for today include Houston, Texas, Boston, Massachusetts, Nashville, Tennessee, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky. And now for the hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses central Texas. The 15% hail risk area today includes Abilene, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, Big Spring, Texas, and Kerrville, Texas. We have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering most of Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Louisiana, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Missouri, western Tennessee, western half of Kentucky. Well, I shouldn't say half, but I would say northern and western Kentucky, southeastern Illinois. Oh, sorry, I lost your train of thought there, It also encompasses southeastern Illinois, most of Indiana, eastern Michigan, most of Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York. Really? The 5% hail risk today includes Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, and Indianapolis, Indiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Alright? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. Alright? Within the black dashed area. Alright? Hails in the black dashed area today include Abilene, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, and Del Rio, Texas. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms will be possible today from the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley, Mid-South, Ohio Valley, and lower Great Lakes. Damaging winds and hail will be the primary threats. A greater threat for large to very large hail should exist across parts of west central Texas. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, whether you're in the slight or the marginal. Okay, because slight and marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck slight and marginal can pull off sometimes. Alright, so while there's not going to be as big of an outbreak as it was yesterday, at the same time, I'm not downplaying it. I am not downplaying it. Alright, just because I'm saying that today will not be as bad as yesterday, there still could be some pretty strong storms, and there could still be some pretty nasty storms out there. So have a plan in place still today, to get alerted for severe weather. So yeah. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Meanwhile, stay